In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate dark mode in Monday.com. Dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of your screen or you're working at night. It also gives your interface a cleaner, more focused look by toning down bright backgrounds. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can turn it on in just a few seconds. First, open your browser and log into your Monday.com account like you normally would. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you usually manage your boards and projects. Once your main Monday.com dashboard loads, look toward the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or, if you haven't added one, you might see your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on that profile picture icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several personal options related to your account. In this menu, look for the option labeled Change Theme. This is where Monday.com lets you quickly switch between different appearance settings. Click on Change Theme, and you'll see a few choices for how your interface can look. One of these options will be Dark. This is the one we want to use to enable dark mode. Simply click on Dark and give it a moment. As soon as you select it, the background and many of the interface elements will shift to darker tones, while the text and important buttons will stand out with lighter or more vibrant colors. This contrast is what makes dark mode more comfortable for many people, especially in low-light environments. Take a second to scroll around your boards and views to see how everything looks. If you collaborate with a team, remember that this change applies only to your personal account view. Everyone else can still choose the theme that works best for them in their own settings. If at any point you decide dark mode isn't for you, you can repeat the same steps. Click your profile picture, choose Change Theme, and switch back to a lighter option. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Monday.com and customized your workspace to better fit your eyes and your environment.